What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cup holders on this 2001 BMW 325xi. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. To pull the cup holder out, just grab the cup holder in the front, slide it up, and slide it out. So when you install the cup holders, there's these two little feet. They're not on that side, they're on this side. That goes towards the back. You're gonna slide that in first, get that lined up, and then push down on the front.
Thanks for watching. If you want the parts to do it yourself, check out 1aauto.com, the place for DIY auto repair.